Top 5 apps like WeAreFabricio review that actually work today. If you're a designer or hobbyist looking for quality fabrics online, you won't believe what happens next. Most people get this wrong, thinking WeAreFabricio is the only reliable option, but there are apps that actually make finding, ordering, and customizing fabric easy. First up is Fabric.com. Their app has thousands of fabrics in every category from cotton and silk to specialty prints. You can filter by material, color or pattern, and even order swatches before committing to large cuts. Second is Spoonflower. This app allows you to upload your own designs or choose from an extensive marketplace of patterns. It's perfect for crafters, designers, or anyone who wants truly unique fabrics. Number 3 is Mood Fabrics. Mood's app mirrors their famous store experience, letting you explore fabrics, order online, and check availability in nearby stores. Many professional designers trust Mood for high-quality materials. Fourth is Joanne. Their app offers fabrics, sewing tools and tutorials. You can clip coupons and get notifications on sales, making it easier to save while stocking up on essentials. Finally, Etsy. Etsy connects you to small sellers and artisans who offer custom fabrics and one-of-a-kind prints. The app's messaging system also allows you to request custom orders directly from sellers. In conclusion, while WeAreFabricio is convenient, these 5 apps expand your options, giving you access to unique fabrics, helpful tools, and flexible ordering. Whether you're sewing, designing, or crafting, these apps make sourcing high-quality fabric easier than ever.